Hi guys, in this video we're going to be putting together my studio desk. I should probably look up what it's called. Right, it's a StudioRTA Creation Station, apparently. That's the name of it. I bought this several years ago, and as far as reviewing it goes, it's fantastic because I've taken it apart and put it back together again half a dozen times, moved it around the country, and it's still perfect. Well, it gets a bit premature. I haven't put it together again yet. It could fail to be put together, but it probably won't, and it's very sturdy and I like it. So yeah, pretty straightforward. It's like a flat pack thing that I'm gonna put together quickly, and then the studio will have a desk. So enjoy. Alright, so that's my desk all put together, and I think it looks pretty well. It came together perfectly. It's a bit dusty from being in storage, but that's to be expected. It fits the room perfectly. I was a bit worried that it would be too big for the room, but it's actually a perfect size. It doesn't look too big, and I know it's not too small for me, because I've used it before, obviously. Yeah, so the next step is to install my computer, my monitors, my interface, and all my other gear. So we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.